Hi everyone, and welcome back to Essence of Polish. I hope you've been enjoying my videos, and if you have, please hit the like button. And if you're new here, a big welcome to you, and please hit the subscribe button for more great upcoming videos. The colors I'm going to be using are NYX Alps Bunny, Kiss Gel Narcism, LA Colors Delicate, and Sinful Colors Midnight Blue. And I'm going to start off by showing you guys that I broke a nail. I broke it while I was washing the car. Like, I didn't notice it while I was washing the car, but I noticed it afterwards. And so I broke my right ring fingernail. And here's the tip. I saved the tip just to show it to you guys, just in case y'all were like curious to see it, like how long it was or something. There's more I wanted to say about breaking my nail, but so that I can go ahead and get the manicure started, I'll just talk while I'm doing my nails. But today's manicure is going to be a French tip design. So I'm using the LA Colors Delicate for the French tip. And so I'm gonna get started on that. And I'm using my smile line as a guide to create the French tip. So yeah, about breaking my nail. I broke my right ring fingernail, and that's the same nail I broke last time I broke a nail. And so the last time what I did was I cut the ring fingernail on my left hand to match my right hand, but I didn't do that this time. So I think I'm just gonna be rocking a shorty for a while. And I've never really been the person to cut all my nails because one of them had broke, because I do like my nails longer. But don't get me wrong, I do have a video on cutting my nails, but that was because I had like ridiculously uneven nails. Like half of the nails were long, half of them were cracked. So there's going to be a card in the top right corner of the screen if you want to see that video. But yeah, I just cut my nails that time, all my nails that time, because all of them were just needed to go. just needed to start over. So I'm just gonna be rocking a shorty for a while. So comment down below and let me know how you feel about uneven nails. If you were me and you had one broken nail, would you cut them all, or would you just deal with your little shorty for a while? Next, I'm going to take the Sinful Colors Midnight Blue, and I'm going to draw a line at the bottom of the French tip just to give it more of a design and separate, well, not even separate, but kind of clean up this line. And I didn't even tell y'all that this is well, I said it was a French tip, which it is, but it's also a spring design. I have some decals that I'm going to use, and I have them in a bunch of bird shapes and flowers and roses. Not roses, butterflies. How did I get that confused? But yeah, a bunch of birds, butterflies, and flowers. And real quick, I want to do a quick shout out to Cheap Nails, because she gave me a shout out in her Good Friday Easter nail design. And so because she gave me a shout out, I could not pass the opportunity to return the favor to her and give her a shout out. So check out Cheap Nails channel. She does some great videos, and you're gonna love her personality. Like, she is goofy. That's why I like her channel, because she's goofy and she just does great nail art. And I watch her as faithfully as I watch my Simple Little Pleasures. So yeah, check her channel out. And I guess we kind of just low-key did our first collaboration, giving each other a shout out. So yeah, hooray for the first collaboration for the both of us. I forgot I wanted to use this NYX glitter polish, so I just put it on top of the pink and went ahead and applied a top coat, because I applied a top coat because these are the decals that I'm going to be using, and I don't want to mess my nails up while I'm trying to cut these apart. Well, I picked the ones out that I'm going to use, but I'm just showing you the rest of the decals. So I got these from the Wish app, and these are really cute. I'm not sure if they're the nail, like the water nail decals, the ones that, you know, the whole picture peels off when you put it in water, or do you just apply these the way you do a kid's water tattoo, which I think it looks like to me you apply these the way you do a kid's water decal. So that's what I'm going to try first. And these are really cute. Got them from the Wish app for $3, I think, or maybe $5. I think shipping was $2 and the actual decals were $3. But yeah, these are the ones I'm going to be using, and I picked out a lot of them because I'm going to be using different parts from each one. And like I said, a bunch of flowers, birds, roses, and butterflies. And what I'm going to use first is these birds with these butterflies. Oh, first I need some water. And this dish is really small. I got this from the Wish app too, but I've had this a pretty long time, and it is very small. So if you order this from the Wish app, this dish from the Wish app, try not to make a mess. Okay, first what I'm gonna do is cut out the decals. Just gonna cut out the one that I'm going to use. And they do have a plastic sheet on them, which is why I say I think you're supposed to use these the way you use a kid's tattoo. So I'm going to, if I can grab it. So I'm going to peel off the plastic sheet. Oh, you know what? I think, I'm not sure. I'm going to just try it this way first. Because now that I've peeled off the plastic sheet, I can see there's a clear trimming to, like a clear background to the decal. But I'm still going to try it this way. Just stick it on like a kid tattoo. Gonna use a Q-tip to wet the tattoo, and then it should transfer on my nail. Just kind of rolling it along to make sure I get the whole picture to come off. And as I'm rolling it, now I can feel, or you probably just saw it, but now I can feel the paper sliding, so. Oh, I did that wrong. That's definitely backwards. Can I peel this off? Okay, yeah, so it is supposed to go that way. Okay, well, let's try that again. Oh no, so my top coat wasn't dry. That's an easy fix though. Okay, let's try that again. So I am supposed to soak it in water first. Let's try that. But now I gotta choose another picture. Choose this one. It looks kind of big too. It looks kind of big, so I'll put this one on my thumb. And they're so close together, I don't want to cut the one beside it. Okay, so peel off the plastic piece. And then let this soak in the water. I'm not sure how long, but I'm pretty sure it doesn't take too long. Okay, so it's been soaking about 3 minutes. Let's see if the picture comes off. Oh, yep, it's moving. So just grab it off the paper and stick it on your nail. Okay, there we go. Our first nail. Let's see, what else do I want to put on this one? Do I want a butterfly? No, I'll leave the thumb like that. On to the index nail. What shall we put on this? I want a rose. We're gonna put a rose on my index finger. A red rose, because the other flowers that I'm using are pink, and plus my nails are pink, so I want a red rose. Oh, I almost forgot. Take off the plastic piece, which I should probably take the sheet off the whole sheet of decals so I don't forget to take it off this single one. But I don't know if that would be better, because then I would get lint and fingerprints and everything else in the other ones. I'll just keep doing it the way I've been doing it. So drop that in there and let that sit for about 3 minutes. Long enough as it takes for me to go to the bathroom. Potty break over, so this should be done. And it is. Red button, ignore. Bill collectors. And actually, I'm pretty sure it should go this way. Oh no, don't fold. Okay, I'm pretty sure it's better to go this way so that people can see the design and not upside down. It's hard to let go. So next I'm gonna take this one and I'm gonna put a teeny butterfly in the corner. Oh, plucked way over here behind the scenes. Somehow I lost the one that I put on my thumb. So once you get one on, I guess it's best to just go and top coat it. So I'm going to put on this little butterfly. I'm going to top coat my index finger. I'm going to do my thumb again and finish the rest of my nails. So a little something I was having difficulty with is putting on the decal after it's done after it's done soaked and now it's all flimsy and stuff. It's hard to put it on. So what I figured out is using the stamper, and I'm going to pull it out. So I'm going to pull the decal out onto the stamper, well, like a little corner like that. Hold it down with my tweezer and just roll the paper off and on, and the decal will stay on the stamper. And you have to put the decal on upside down so that when you stamp it on your nail, it will be right side up. And then take a clear polish, and I'm using Sally Hansen crystal clear, and wipe off majority of the clear polish, because all you need is a very, very, very little bit. So working with a dry brush, basically just paint on where you want to put the decal. And I'm working with a clear stamper so you can see where the decal is, and then stamp on the decal. I kind of messed it up because I lifted back up, but this is what has been working for me, so I don't be working with a flimsy decal trying to stick it up here. And then there it is. So I'm going to finish the rest of my hand, my right hand. I just wanted to show you guys that. So I'm going to finish my right hand and I'll be back. So here is the finished look, and I think this is so cute for spring. And I really liked using the water decals, and especially because I can't stamp, so it was definitely fun using the stamper. And you will definitely see me using the water decals again. One thing to note though, I know I said it earlier, but to show you what would happen if you forget to take off the plastic before soaking the decal, the decal will adhere to the plastic if you forget to take it off. And as you can see, you cannot take it off at all. Like, once it's up there, it's up there. It won't come off the plastic. So yeah, don't forget to peel off the plastic before soaking the decal in the water. So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please subscribe for more great upcoming videos, and I'll see you all in the next video.